Hello everyone, do you know that you can make money through social media that you have been using every day right now? So let me share with you the 5 common methods of how you can use social media to make money instantly. So the first method I want to share with you is called affiliate marketing. So instead of coming out with your own products or services, you can actually promote other people's products. So one of the examples is like ClickBank, where this website provides lots of online courses or lots of information products that you can actually sell on behalf of them. Okay, and when people actually click your link and buy these products, you get a cut out of it. The commission, from what I know, is around 5 to even up to 50% out of the whole revenue. And the other example is Amazon. So let's say you like this particular computer Dell. Instead of you buying the Dell computer and sell the Dell computer, you can actually put an affiliate link, and when people buy the Dell computer through your link, you'll get a commission out of it. So this is method number 1. Method number 2 is you can promote other people's products or services. So for example, you like massage, and this particular store have a very nice massage that you always frequent it. So instead of you just going to massage every single day, you can actually promote their massage services to the whole world through your social media. You can actually type out a social media blog post or even a story telling people how good the service of this particular massage company or massage services, and put a link out of it. So whenever people click your link and register for appointment or massage, you get a cut out of it. So this is exactly how you can use social media to make money through affiliate and promote other people's products and services. So the method 3 of making money through social media is by promoting your own coaching or even consultation services. So for example, let's say you are a meditation coach. You can actually set up your own YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram business profile by promoting your own meditation services and telling the whole world that you are a meditation coach and what are some of the tips of to have a good meditation posture and so forth. Months later, your sales will definitely increase and your brands will definitely become much better, and you can charge a higher price. Can you see that? Method 4 is becoming a social media manager and get paid for it. Nowadays, a lot of brands and companies, they are having an online store, having an online presence in Facebook, YouTube, and so forth. And because of that, there's a lot of online customers inquiring them about stuff, their services, their time, and much more. So instead of spending a lot of time in their online store, a lot of them has been hiring online social manager to deal with all these customer inquiries and so forth. And a lot of social media managers are being paid a high lump sum every single month just by helping their customer to deal with their online presence. So can you see that? And lastly, method 5, which is create your own information products and sell in your own social media. So in our Skills Hacker community, we have been guiding students and partners of ours to build their own online course through their passion. So example, some of them actually teach people how to play piano, some of them actually teaching people how to invest in real estate. So example, piano. So if you have a passion of piano, you can actually turn them into information products and actually sell it. So instead of teaching piano one-to-one and maybe charge 200 to 300 per hour, you can actually package it into an online program, online course, and sell it online. And your customer is not only in your local country, it is worldwide. Can you see how powerful is that? And not only that, it is actually building your reputation, branding, and credibility. So the world is your market. So if you want to know more about how you can build your online programs through a Skills Hacker community, we will leave the link below to let you know much more. So yes, that's the 5 ways of making money through social media. So if you want to know more about how you can make much more money through the online program, online course, and being an entrepreneur, do subscribe to this channel, and I'll share with you much more resources in our next video. So see you.